Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Strategic Management. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. In week 6, we're going to be looking at global strategies in chapter 10 of the textbook. Let me go through here real quick. And these are kind of our learning objectives. So we learn about what globalization is and kind of look and see kind of how we'd actually do that as a company. I look forward to really seeing kind of how other companies actually think about doing this and kind of different examples of that. You might have foreign direct investment. You might have a multinational enterprise. There may be different ways of doing this. So these are definitely different stages of things that happened as well. Kind of going through this really fast because I know you can definitely look at it as well. Just wanted to give you a heads up. So international expansion, I'll show you the advantages and disadvantages of that. So you got advantages of going global. Sometimes it's a good thing for a company to do that. Sometimes it's not. You need to kind of know exactly when to do it and when not to do it. So this is just going through all the advantages and disadvantages. Let's see if there's anything else I need to put on there. So the CAGE framework is another thing we want to think about on this. So distance is the main cost and risk of expansion. CAGE is an acronym for the different types of distances. You have cultural, you have administrative and political, geographical, and economical as well. So some of the cultural differences that we have problems with from time to time. We go to a country that's a little bit different than ourselves. So we have to definitely prepare for that. We have to be very, very strategic in that and really look at kind of how things are going. Again, I'm just kind of scrolling through this, see if there's anything I need to hit on for you guys. It looks like that's pretty much on the PowerPoint. So let me go back to this class. So in this class, we got, like I said, we're talking about global strategies this week. We have a discussion board post and an assignment due this week as well. The PowerPoint that I was referencing and showing was actually right here, so you guys can see that as well. So that's kind of what we're talking about this week. If you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to help, and I look forward to discussing things with you in the discussion board and grading your assignments as well. So if you have any questions or need anything, please let me know. Thanks.